Got in the Sephora Favorites Perfect Pout Lip Kit. I actually got it last year, but we're going to open it up together this year because makeup's pretty decent. I did it this morning. I'm going to say, look how much that one size has stayed. That's one of the cheek clappers. Holy smokes, I still am shimmery. And I put it on my eyes too. But my lips have come off. So, well, I mean, they didn't come off, but my lipstick came off. So we're going to open, and this is what's all included with it. It is still live on the Sephora site. You get 3 full size, the Charlotte Tilbury, the Makeup by Mario, the Rare Beauty, and then 2 minis, the Tower 28 and the YSL. And the shades, the reason I got this, it's $42. They say it's a $94 value. I am live on TikTok, Rich. Rich is coming in with some laundry to do. The reason I got it is,
I think I can handle it too, so I'm good.
okay, is this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is the new one in Pillow Talk Fair, and I love it. So it's $35 just for that. So for $7, basically, I got all of these. I love the Makeup by Mario. This is the Plumping Lip Serum, the Moisture Glow, and this is Watermelon Glow, and I don't think I have that one. Rare Beauty. This is Wise. I have one Rare Beauty, but not this one. The Tower 28, meh. The other one that everyone likes, the Summer Fridays, and the Ole Henriksen. It's the only thing from Ole Henriksen I like a lot is their lip. The Tower 28, I don't even know if it's a 3rd place, so I'm not going to open this one. That's going to go to somebody. And YSL I love. And it's the Tower 28 is an Ubi Vanilla. It's just too dark. When I put it on, then I have to smear it all over, and it looks like I just had a very messy chocolate bar. And then the YSL is Love Shine Deluxe Mini in shade 201. So I don't know what that's going to look like, but we're going to find out together. I've been dying to open this, but we have puppies, and they're sleeping right now, and I've got energy because I had some soda pop with lunch. So this is what all it comes with. This is how it comes. We're going to start with Wise. Now, I usually like the cool tones more than the warm tones, and I don't like a lot of brownie nudie stuff. Okay. I also like the wood pencils because it's easier to sharpen them. Like this, you can twist up, and you're like, well, that's pretty cool. And it has a little sharpener right there, but it's not my favorite. You know, and I get why people like it because it's a little softer. Right now, my favorite lip liner. See, that looks a little too chocolatey for what I usually go with. We're going to see how it continues to go. I love the Makeup by Mario eyeliner and lip liner. So, yay. And the Glossier. I just got in the eyeliner. It was so good and smooth that I had to order a whole bunch more while it was 40% off. Okay, so here's the others. Like I said, this is going in my I have a gift for somebody else pile. So we've got the Pillow Talk Fair, which I'm also going to put aside because I have a mini that I had picked up to try, and I loved it. So I'm going to show you with a mini on how beautiful this Pillow Talk Fair is. So this is the mini. It came with the set. I got it at Christmas time. Here you go. So you get the ombre kind of going, and it's lighter, a little darker. Like I wouldn't use that lip liner with this. But again, for $7, the Makeup by Mario one's what, $24? So for me, it was worth it to get the kit, even if I don't use up everything. But that's the Pillow Talk Fair. We're going to pop on some of, oh, now that's a pretty one. Some of the YSL Love Shine. And these little ones I'll stick in my makeup bag. I'll stick in here. I'll stick in my pocket. I'll stick in my fanny pack for dogs. And then the other one is the Makeup by Mario, and it's the clicky stick. So we'll just put everything on, except for the Ubi Vanilla. Tower 28. I like a lot of your stuff, but that's just not my favorite. Ooh, it's starting to feel good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All done up.